Hello, welcome to this tutorial. We're going to see how you can create a registration page with the affiliate feature so users can apply to become affiliates. Let's get started.
With the affiliates feature, you can create a registration page with a registration form like this one so visitors can apply to become affiliates. They would just need to fill in these fields with their information and click on register. Let's go see how you can set this up. In the affiliates feature panel, general options, affiliates registration, you can configure the registration form and you can add it to a page by using this shortcode. And here you can set up the form and configure the registration options. First, we have the fields that visitors have to fill out. There are some default fields like the first name and email fields, and then you can add any fields you want to. There's the name of the field, the type, we have text, email, and password here. The label visitors will see in the form. We can see whether each field is required or not. We can enable and disable each field. And there are some actions here to move the fields and change the order in the form, edit, duplicate, and delete them. Let's go ahead and create a new field. I'm going to create a field to ask visitors who are interested in becoming affiliates how they plan on promoting my store. So, first I need to enter the name of the field for me to identify it. Then I need to select the type of field. There are several options here, but let's do a select field so I can give them options for them to select. Then I need to enter the label they'll see on the form. I'm not going to enter info here. There are several validation options for this field, but I'll just leave plain text selected. And here's where I can enter the options they'll be able to choose from. I'll enter website or blog. I can click here to add more options, newsletter, social media, and others. I can enable this option to show the field also in the affiliate dashboard after the user has been approved as an affiliate. This is useful for fields that you think affiliates may want to update later on. I can also enable this option to show the field on the Become an Affiliate form. That's the form that is shown to users who are already registered and logged in and want to apply to become an affiliate. And last, I can make this option mandatory. Let's add the field, and here it is. We'll see it in a few minutes when we add the form to a new page. Let's go through the options below now. Here's the option to add these fields to the default WooCommerce registration page, so when users register on the website, they will also be applying to become affiliates. Keep in mind that if the option is enabled, visitors will not see the Become an Affiliate form once they register. They will be applying to become affiliates as they register. Only those users who registered before this option was enabled or guest users will see the registration form. Then, below, we have registration options. Here we can enable this option to have users who register as affiliates automatically approved. Or we can keep the option disabled to evaluate each application and manually approve or reject them. Then we can decide if we want to get an email as the admin when a new affiliate registers on the site, when an affiliate account changes status, or when it is banned. If you want to get emails for any of these situations, just check it. And we can also send emails to affiliates for the same reasons, when they successfully register, when their account status changes, and when they're banned. We can then associate all commissions to new users who have the same token. If this is enabled, when a user registers as a new affiliate, the system will check if there are any pre-existing commissions associated with the default token they get. If there is, the commission will be assigned to that user. Then we can set a default message for all rejected affiliates. We can enter a message here, or keep this option off if we want to send custom messages to each affiliate when we reject them. Same here for banned affiliates. And here's an option to hide specific sections from the affiliate dashboard to ban users. These are users who were accepted first, and for some reason they ended up getting banned as affiliates. It's not the same case as rejected affiliates who were never accepted in the first place. So, to banned affiliates, we can hide any sections from the affiliate dashboard like the link generator and the commissions tabs. Let's save options. And now that we've seen all the settings related to the registration form, let me show you how you can add the form to a new page. I'm going to create a new page. Let's add a title here. I'll add a media and text block so I can add this image. Let's make it smaller. And let's add a description. You can absolutely add anything you want here. And let's add the registration form shortcode now. There we go. We just need to publish the page. And let's go see the end result. And there we go. Here's my new page. And here's the registration form I added with the shortcode. We have all the fields here, including the one I created at the start of the video. If you remember, the type of field is select, so it's a drop-down menu. Visitors can select one of these options, fill out the fields, and then register as affiliates. Now you know how to set up the form and create a registration page for your visitors.
Okay, so that's how you can set this up. See you soon in the next video tutorial.